Swapping and reseating a hard drive.
What is it?
It's when you want to see if the hard drive is compatible to your laptop. What does that mean?
To reseat your hard drive is to remove it and reinstall it. To swap it is when you're switching it with a good hard drive. Figure out if the hard drive works or not. So we turn on the laptop, and it's taking a while for it to turn on. So we're gonna check out the hard drive.
Take out the back screws. We're gonna take out this screw, this one, and this one. But when you grab the hard drive, you have to remember to grab it from the side, or else it's gonna mess up the hard drive, and we do not want that. So this is how it's supposed to look after you take out the screws from the hard drive, and you get your new hard drive. You gotta be careful because you don't want to break it. It comes in a small package, and you gotta break the seal carefully. Now that we have the hard drive, we take it out and we place the old one back in a bag, getting ready to ship it back to.
So we've installed the hard drive, and it shows that it's not bootable. And then we're gonna have to give it to Mr. Vargas, which is over there, and wait for him to install the OS. We finished it. We gotta make sure we fill this out. We installed our new hard drive, and we're done. We're gonna ship this back to Dell. Make sure the seal's on with the tape, and that's it. Wait, what am I doing here? Okay. Swapping and resetting. Should I change my?
You can't even see it.
To reseat a hard drive is to reinstall it, and I messed up again.
Crystal, now
because I would reinstall it.
Wait, Crystal.